Oh boy, if I asked you to go skinny dipping in a volcano, how many of you would take me up on that? Yeah, I didn't think so. Now, skipping out on insurance and liability in commercial real estate offers the same results. In our last episode, we dissected the importance of due diligence in securing a solid foundation for your investments. But even the most thorough reviews can't foresee every mishap. That's where insurance and liability management come into play, acting as your financial fireproofing. Insurance in commercial real estate isn't just a safety measure, it's a critical component of your investment strategy. It protects your assets from unexpected events like fires, floods, or accidents that could otherwise burn through your capital. Let's delve into the key types of insurance you should consider. Number one, property insurance covers damages to your building or contents, ensuring you can repair or replace them without a financial meltdown. Number two, liability insurance protects you against claims arising from injuries or damages sustained by others on your property. It's like a legal safeguard against costly lawsuits that could derail your investments. Number three, loss of income. This is crucial, especially in dynamic sectors like retail and industrial, where a temporary shutdown could spell significant financial losses. This insurance helps cover lost revenue during periods when your property is unusable. Lastly, environmental liability insurance has become increasingly important, addressing issues like contamination cleanup and pollution damages, essentially in today's environmental conscious market. Managing liability means more than just buying insurance. It involves designing leases and operational policies that minimize your exposure to risk. This includes everything from routine maintenance to ensuring compliance with the latest safety regulations. As the market continues to evolve, understanding how to effectively manage insurance and liability can be as lucrative as it is protective. Next time, we will unpack the complexities of commercial property valuation. Knowing your property's worth is key to maximizing your returns and planning your next moves. Ready to secure your investments with the right coverage? Do you have questions about the best insurance strategies for your properties? Or stories about how good coverage saved your investment? Comment below. Or reach out for a detailed discussion at ECMP. Remember to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more insights. Let's keep learning, keep planning, and as always, keep it real. Stay